usual sound of woodworking. Yes, no wonder they can't sell the house for 3 years, isn't it? Well, that and the Triffids. Well, never mind. Not my problem. He has a woodworking business right next door, and he just likes to wear earphones. Probably he listens to music, or maybe not. He's not very cultured. Oh, yes, okay, the pansies are coming out. That's good. Well, we're going out anyway, so we don't listen to him. We go out in the early mornings, and that's the Jerusalem cherry. Evenings when the git isn't drilling like a twat. Oh, la 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 la. There's a lot of twats around. Oh, right. Are those doing all right? Yep. I can plant them out soon.